Welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can sign up for Picfair and either purchase, buy, or do both with your images on Picfair as a photographer or as a purchaser. So I'm quickly gonna click on sign up button here. Now, Picfair actually allows you to sign up through your social media handles as well, as you can see over here. But I kind of avoid doing that because with a lot of websites I've seen, especially when the websites are providing you the social sign up option. A lot of websites are new to that particular feature. So what happens is sometimes if the server is not able to catch up with your social handles, or they are not updated, you might end up losing your account. So I'm just gonna go with the longer route over here. Over here you can see there are three options given: sign up for free, already have an account, what are you, I am a photographer. Or you can click, if you're a buyer, you can click as a buyer. The form is changing as per that. You can see as a photographer you get 3 fields, as a buyer you get 2, and as both as well you're getting 3 fields. So I'm gonna go as a photographer. I already have an account with Picfair, but this is just for you guys. So I am going to test bearded geek. The username I'm gonna apply over here is test bearded geek, and the email ID I would be using is test.beardedgeek002@gmail.com. Password is something you can set up your own password. Now, one thing I like about Picfair is basically, unlike the other, okay, the username is already taken. Let's go with 002 over here. Let's see whether that is available. Yeah, that just went through. So one thing I like about Picfair is basically, unlike the other stock photography websites, Picfair allows you to set up a customized price for each and every image of yours. That's right. If you feel that your image is, for example, over here on the screen, if you feel this is your image and you feel that this image should get sold for $10 or $20 or maybe $100, you can set up and customize the price for each and every image. That is the best thing about Picfair, because when you sign up for Shutterstock or Getty Images, you might end up getting paid maybe a 25 cents, unless and until the buyer wants to purchase an extended license for your image. That is when the probability is where you can get $100 to $500 per image when there is an extended license option provided for the buyer. But apart from that, you will end up getting 25 cents on Shutterstock. But Picfair has a different setup altogether, so you can utilize that setup to sell your images. Now, after clicking on the sign up, we are through, and you can see that upgrade to Picfair Plus. That's asking us whether we would like to upgrade. So I would suggest not to go for the upgraded version, because you get pretty much the same features what you get in the free version, apart from the ones which are listed below. So you can see, like, the extra features if you go for this Picfair Plus plan is display your albums on your store. You can get an option where you can create a album, like a set of images, or which you can showcase on your portfolio. Then there is a second option is choose multiple layouts. You can choose different kind of layouts for your store, multiple layouts for your store. Another option which the Picfair Plus provides you is customizing your logo and watermarks. So basically, if you would have seen a lot of times on Shutterstock or Getty Images, there is a watermark which says their brand name. Over here, if you purchase the Picfair Plus plan, you can customize your logo, the watermarks, and domains. Basically, the store domain which you will get at the end of this video, that would be customizable with this Picfair Plus plan. You can remove the Picfair branding, but honestly, that doesn't make a lot of difference when a user is mainly interested in purchasing your image or selling their images. It doesn't make a lot of difference. There are unlimited uploads which you can do for the images. I have been using Picfair for my store now it's almost a year. I have some 1200 images on my store, and it has never given me a trouble for uploading my images. So basically, for free images, for the free account, it would give you a limit of 20 images. You can upload 20 images at once, but with the Picfair Plus you can upload unlimited images at the single go. So it doesn't make really a big difference. Here it is also giving you, if you still want to go with the Picfair Plus plan, it will give you a 7-day money back guarantee. So that's a good option. Again, if you're not happy, you can get your money back. I am just going to cancel this. Alright, so this is your dashboard for Picfair. You can access this dashboard through this setting over here on the left hand corner. The first thing, I'll just run you through the dashboard. You can get an option for upload an image. You can manage your store settings over here. This is the URL which is for your store. Now if you go for the published the Picfair Plus plan, you can customize this particular URL for your store. That's something which you will get an additional feature with Picfair Plus. Again, you can market your store through a lot of options. Picfair does allow that, but again, I would suggest the free version is best. You can just share your link and on different social media accounts or with your friends. If they want to purchase your image, or on your blog, you can embed your link and people can actually come and directly download the images. Now for uploading the image, I'm just going to show you that. How do you do that? When you click on upload an image, I am sorry for the net, it's a bit slow. Yeah, so this is where you land up. Now over here, there are some do's and don'ts which Picfair has listed over here. What are the pictures which you can upload? So it says any camera, fancy DSLR pics, point and click, iPhone shots, Instagrams, all kind of pictures you can upload over here. Higher the resolution, it's better always, because it gives your purchaser an option to choose from the various dimensions they want to download the image or purchase the images into. Now over here, I'm just quickly again, there are certain restrictions, like on Shutterstock you can upload images. The files can be JPEGs, they can be PNGs, they can be vectors, they can be open files, that is PSD files. But on Picfair you can only upload JPEGs, so only JPEGs can be uploaded on this particular platform. Then the maximum file size should be 30 MB. Your image should not exceed more than 30 MB. And the minimum width of your image should be minimum 800 pixel wide. The height can be anything, but it should be minimum 800 pixel wide. So I'm just quickly gonna click on add pic over here. It will again give you can simply drag and drop the images as well. You can select a number of images together and you can drag and drop like the way this is, or you can just click on the image and you can just select open. Now it's getting uploaded. As you can see over here, one image is getting uploaded, and by default you will see a price which Picfair has shared. So as in my blog I've mentioned that currently Picfair is not taking any commissions. Usually they charge 20% of every image that is being sold on their platform, but as you can see, the buyer's price is $10. I'm sorry, over here 0% commission until 1st July of 2020. So you can just, in the meanwhile it's getting uploaded, so I'm just gonna add the title over here, like vegetables for sale in the market. Description should be something which is more lengthier than your title. It would help your user to find your images, the relevant images. So I'm just gonna type over here fresh vegetables like tomatoes potato, red chili, green chilies, and then what else do we see? Capsicum, yellow capsicum, mushrooms. Oh, I'm sorry, those are not potatoes, those are mushrooms, my bad. For sale in the market. Now whenever you're describing an image, make sure you can describe it as much as possible. Over here, like for example, mushrooms, we have written mushrooms because mushrooms are like, it's a general term, but as you can see, it's a yellow capsicum. So try and describe the image as much as you can while adding the tags as well. Again, make sure that you can include as many tags and as many words which are related to your image. For instance, over here I'm gonna add yellow, red chilies, mushrooms, tomatoes, fresh, on sale, in the market. You can also add extra tags like vegetables in city market, something something related to that, like green vegetables, healthy food, leafy vegetables, etc. So this way you can add the tags here, and over here you can see you can customize the price. So for instance, if you want, now by default it is showing me as 10, I don't know what is this symbol, maybe it's francs, I guess it's euros. Yeah, so it's showing by default 10 euros, but you can probably add it like a 50 euros. So Picfair, as you can see, I changed the price over here. Usually Picfair will take 20% of the commission if this image gets sold, and whenever the buyer will purchase this image, in case there was a plan which right now was valid for the 20% commission, it would have been sold for $62. But since they have a 0% commission until 1st of July of 2020, this image will get sold only for 50 euros. So that's about it, and I'm gonna add this. Actually, I cannot add this because this is not my image which I have clicked from my own phone. Once you click on upload, I'm gonna show you how exactly your store would look like. So I'm gonna take you now to my store. Yeah, this is my store. I have a total number, as you can see, this is my account. I have a total number of 1208 images, and out of which I have got 39,571 views till now for my images. This is my store URL. I'll just quickly show you how my profile looks. So this is how my store looks like. These are my images. I have customized the price for every image. Usually whenever I upload 20 images at the same time, I set up a same price for all the 20 images. So you can see there are 20 images which have, like, they have the $6 over here. The other ones have $12. So there are various prices which I have set for different images. If you go on the next page, these are the images which I have uploaded on my store. So this is how you can quickly sign up and open your own store. In case you are curious to know, yeah, so this is how the user will be able to see. They can select this particular image and purchase it directly over here. As I said, like on Shutterstock, it is a different price which you will get for the extended license. Over here as well, it is the normal value of this, the selling value of this image is, as you I have said, it's $6. But for example, if the user wants to purchase it for extended license for advertising and merchandising, he will have to pay an amount of $62.41. So this depends on the license which you want to purchase the image, the buyer wants to purchase the image for. Over here you will get these are the dimensions which are automatically added by Picfair. You don't have to fill in the dimensions and stuff. This is the camera. I usually shoot it from my Oppo Reno 10x zoom. That's the best camera I feel, and it's always handy with me. So yeah, this was a quick setup on how you can sign up on Picfair and start selling your images. Do let me know in the comment section how did you find this video. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button on the video. That would help me reach out to you whenever I upload any fresh videos. And that would be all from my end. Thank you. Also, if you want me to make more videos which you guys are curious about the topics, please let me know in the comment section, so I can go ahead and do some research, and maybe I can provide you the information regarding that. As of now, that was all from my end. I will be back with another video shortly. Till then, keep geeking.